Chapter 1 introduces the foundation of electricity. Before you install wires, breakers, or outlets, you must understand what electricity is, how it moves, and what conditions are required for it to flow. This chapter is heavily tested because everything in the NEC assumes you understand these concepts. First core concept: electricity is energy in motion. Specifically, it's energy created by the movement of electrons. When electrons move from atom to atom, we call that electric current. Exam warning: they might call it charged particles or flow of charge. It all means the same thing. Remember, if the question talks about movement, it's testing current. Next, atomic structure. Electrons are loosely held in materials like copper, which is why electricity flows through them. We call these materials conductors. If electrons are tight and don't move, it's an insulator. Exam trick: free electrons or loosely bound electrons means conductors. Cheat code: loose electrons equals good conductor. Now, what makes electricity flow? It doesn't flow just because power exists. You need three things: a source to provide energy, a path for electrons to travel, and a load to use the energy. If even one is missing, there is no current. Remember, no path means no power. A broken wire or open switch means the current stops. This brings us to the circuit. A circuit is a complete loop. Electricity must leave the source, travel through the load, and return to the source. It never disappears. Exams love this. Look for terms like complete path or closed loop. Cheat code: electricity must always return to its source. No return, no current. Chapter 1 also introduces voltage. Voltage is the force that pushes electrons. Without voltage, electrons don't move. Crucial distinction: voltage is the pressure, current is the flow. Never confuse the two. Voltage pushes, current flows. This distinction is critical for the math you'll do later. Finally, safety. Electricity acts instantly and can't be seen. Never assume power is off. For the exam, ask yourself: are they testing movement, pressure, or path? Is the circuit complete or broken? Identify the concept. Don't just guess. Chapter 1 teaches you how electrons create current and what's required for flow. If you understand Chapter 1, you don't just pass tests, you understand electricity. Good luck.